Welcome to LifeAssure. In this video, you'll learn everything you need to know about Canada's best medical alert system provider. We'll talk about who LifeAssure is and how our medical alert systems work, the different types of medical alert systems, and which will best fit your lifestyle, the additional upgrades you can choose for your medical alert system, how we prioritize your safety with the LifeAssure Guarantee, and finally, how to place your order and enjoy safety and peace of mind. Who is LifeAssure? LifeAssure is a Canadian medical alert provider with over a decade of experience in providing 24/7 peace of mind to seniors across Canada. Whether you're at home or on the go, our goal is simply to make sure help is always available with just the press of a button. When you press the button on your medical alert system, you are instantly connected to a professionally trained medical alert specialist. They will assess the emergency, guide you through the situation, and send help to your location if you need it. Why choose LifeAssure? LifeAssure is the highest-rated medical alert system provider in Canada, with thousands of positive reviews across trusted platforms like Google, Trustpilot, and Bird-Eye. LifeAssure is trusted by all of our customers to keep them safe, with years of experience and certifications from industry leaders in senior safety. Founded in Winnipeg, Manitoba, LifeAssure is proudly owned and operated in Canada. Our seniors advocates are trained and operate in Canada to provide fast support to those in need. Types of medical alert systems. Whether you are staying at home or often on the go, LifeAssure offers different medical alert systems that will suit your needs. For those who are on the go, our mobile medical alert systems can provide safety and peace of mind anywhere in Canada by using GPS and cellular technology, so you can take your protection wherever you go. With our compact, wearable design, you can stay protected without sacrificing comfort or style. Available upgrades. LifeAssure also offers optional upgrades to enhance your safety and peace of mind. You can add a lockbox, which keeps a spare key securely stored, so emergency responders can access your home quickly if needed, without any damage to your property. We also offer automatic fall detection. This feature works by detecting sudden movements, such as falls, and connects you with a medical alert specialist, even if you can't press your button yourself. Whether indoors or outdoors, the fall detection upgrade ensures seniors are always protected. The LifeAssure Guarantee. We offer our LifeAssure Guarantee for all of our products. If for some reason the product that you ordered does not meet your needs, simply mail the equipment back to LifeAssure. You can count on our reliable medical alert systems with no contracts, no hidden fees, and with direct support from our customer service. How to place your order. Getting started is simple. You can order online by simply visiting our website, www.lifeassure.com. Select your device, choose between monthly or annual plan, choose your optional upgrades, and place your order. You can also speak directly with one of our seniors advocates who can help you choose the perfect system for your needs. Simply give us a call, toll-free, at 1-800-354-5706. Protect yourself and remain independent with LifeAssure.